Hi guys, today we're going to be making Shish Tawook, which is an essential part to any Middle Eastern grill. It's basically grilled chicken that has been marinated in a really yummy sauce that we'll show you guys how to make. So first, my mom's going to start off with some olive oil and some lemon juice in a food processor or blender. Then she's going to add some salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, sumac, and ginger. Also, pro tip, put sumac over your hummus. It tastes so good. This is irrelevant. Actually, that's not true. You could put it at the hummus that you can serve with this chicken at the end once you're done. So actually, it is relevant. And then you're going to add tomato paste, as well as pepper paste, some garlic, mustard, and yogurt. And the reason that we add yogurt is because it makes the chicken very soft so that as it's marinating for that time, so that when we put it on the grill, it gets crispy on the outside but stays really nice and juicy on the inside. And then just blend that on up until it is a nice, consistent texture. And then we're going to focus on the chicken for a second. So just buy chicken breasts or whatever part of the chicken you enjoy grilling, and try to cut those pieces into 3 equal parts, removing any ligaments that you see, which is like that little white thing that my mom is getting rid that's at the base of the chicken there. And now you're just going to pour over all of that sauce mixture that you just made and massage it in. My mom likes to use gloves just so that your hands don't stink for the rest of the day. And yeah, it's pretty easy to get it all over the place because the ratio of chicken to sauce is disproportionate, so that's good. And that means that there's gonna be a lot of flavor there. So let that marinate for a couple hours at least, or you can even leave it overnight. We do that sometimes. So I just think the longer the better. But no worries if it can't be that long. You can just go straight ahead and start placing the chicken onto the skewers. My mom usually likes to place 4 or 5 depending on how big each piece ends up being. And it's cool because you can let them marinate like that too, because the sauce is pretty thick, so it'll still give it flavor. And now you're gonna move on to the potatoes. My mom has already peeled and placed the whole potatoes in 1 batch of cold water, and then she's going to do the same thing, just cut them up into nice, even, thin slices and place it in another bowl of cold water. In a separate bowl, pour a little bit of olive oil and add some salt first. And some paprika. Okay, nice, just those 2. And then you're going to coat the potatoes in this sauce before placing them on your pan. So actually, I can say that I did this before. This is one thing I did help my mom with before. And actually it was during Ramadan. So I was really hungry when I was making this. And I remember I was so tempted, obviously I wasn't going to, but I was so tempted to literally eat it just like this, not even cooked or anything, because it just smells so good, even with just salt and paprika. So I don't know, this was very difficult to make because I was so excited to eat it. But then you're gonna put that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let that cook until they get as dark as you want, or as nice and golden brown as you want. And notice how some potatoes have disappeared from the pan, and that's because people come in and they take it at their desired bake level, and no one is fessing up to say that they did it. It definitely wasn't me, so don't worry, Mom. I'm a good kid. And then you're just going to stick those skewers on the grill. Once again, let it get nice and charred, or however dark you want it, but it's gonna stay really nice and soft on the inside. So that's about it. Oh yeah, don't forget to serve with hummus and sumac, like I said earlier. But that's about it. We hope you guys enjoy. Happy Shish Tawook. Bye!